The 7 Stages of Rustam. Long ago, Persia was a very peaceful and prosperous kingdom, but it was ruled by a very restless and ambitious king named Caius. One day, he heard that the neighboring kingdom of Mazandara was beautiful, with mountains, rivers, lush greenery, flowers and birds, and lovely maidens. But it was also inhabited by demons under the ferocious white demon. All the advice of his ministers could not stop him from wanting to conquer Mazandara. Even the council of wise Zal, the father of great warrior Rustam, failed to stop him. The king of Mazandara called up the white demon and his hordes. They defeated King Caius and imprisoned him in a dungeon inside a fortress guarded by hundreds of demons. Zal was angry, but he was dutiful towards the King Caius. Therefore, he called his son Rustam and told him to go on his special horse Raksh and rescue King Caius. Rustam's journey. Rustam took a dangerous route on his horse Raksh and he slept tired out. He awoke to see Raksh kicking an attacking lion to death. Rustam thanked God and Raksh and proceeded further. The next night, Raksh saved Rustam from an enormous snake. Rustam thanked God and Raksh and went on. The next day, Rustam saw a beautiful maiden at a spring and thanked God for the sparkling water. On hearing God's name, the girl turned into a horrible witch and Rustam killed her. On the 4th day, Rustam's horse was grazing when a gardener threatened him, saying his master, the strong man Aulad, would kill him for trespassing. When Aulad came, Rustam struck him down. Aulad was so frightened that he agreed to become a servant and lead him to King Caius. On the 6th day, 2 demons attacked him and Rustam killed them. Then he rescued King Caius from the dungeon, slaughtering many of the demons. The White Demon. Aulad told Rustam that the demons slept during the day and awoke at night to attack others. Therefore, on the 7th day, Rustam rested and then killed and scattered the guards of the White Demon. Then he found the White Demon inside a cave and cut off his leg. The White Demon was ferocious and still strong. The terrible battle took place between Rustam and the White Demon. Then Rustam caught the demon by his horns and dashed him to the ground. Taking out his dagger swiftly, Rustam stabbed the White Demon and killed him. His spell broke and all the demons died immediately. Once the White Demon and his hordes had been killed, Mazandara could not hold out against Rustam, who conquered it. Aulad, who had served Rustam faithfully, was rewarded by being placed on the throne of Mazandara as the governor on behalf of King of Persia. Caius learns a lesson. Caius returned to his throne richer and more powerful. He made fabulous palaces using the people till they got fed up of all the work he made them do. They wanted to destroy him and asked the devil's help. The devil sent a demon in guise of an astronomer and he got Caius interested in astronomy. He tempted Caius to go close to the stars and planets in the sky. Caius was foolish enough to believe this. The false astronomer trained vultures to carry the throne into the sky and Caius was delighted. But the vultures got tired and had nothing to eat. The throne started shuddering and the terrified Caius would have fallen and died. But they dropped him down in a faraway forest of China. Rustam sent soldiers to look for the king, and he was brought back to Persia, where he ruled quietly under Rustam's counsel.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.